I'm Jason Yarusi, and we are here today in Springfield, New Jersey at the Hilton Oasis Inn for the MultiFamily Foundation one-day workshop.
The MultiFamily Foundation workshop is for real estate investors who want to get into large multifamily but don't know where to start. So we give them a foundation to begin their career in large multifamily.
The meetup today is covering everything from buying apartment buildings, how to find the money, how to find the loan, how to source a market, how to build the team, how to underwrite deals. We're just covering the full scope from A to B.
So many people have come up to us saying, how do I get into this? I don't have money, or I don't have connections, or I don't have this, that, and the other thing. I mean, if you ask Jason and I, a few years ago, we didn't have the same thing.
Core thing that's happened here is Keely and I have made the commitment to focus.
We're all about focusing. We're focused on the acquisition of large multifamily. We're focused on teaching people how to focus.
We want to make sure that people were involved and people were content, that they know that there's a bigger opportunity out there. If they just set their mind right, they put in the work, they find a way to do it, you build out your team, you build out your focus, and you take the steps and knock them down one day at a time.